Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert bar chart in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Econometrics, and Economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Here I have the hypothetical data of male and female students enrolled in various streams. So now we want to insert the bar chart. So you select the data, go to insert menu. In insert menu, here we have the option of see all charts. Go to all charts here. First you have recommended charts and then you have all charts. So go to all charts. In all charts, we have the option of bar chart. So the first option is clustered bar. In clustered bar, again, we have two options. You can see two suggestions. In first suggestion, we are having streams on horizontal axis, and in each stream we have two bars. One bar represents male students and another bar represents female students. The second chart shows that on horizontal axis gender is taken. So first is female students, and in female we have 5 or 6 bars, and each bar represents the stream. So it depends on you that, or it depends on your requirement that how you want to visualize the data. So I'm going to select the first one, simply click OK, and you can see the chart. So if you double click on chart title, you can edit it. So I'm writing chart 1, bar chart. If you select the chart and click on this plus sign, then you have some options. Axis titles, chart title, data labels. So if you select data labels, you can actually see the value of the each category or each bar. You have data table. If you wish to enter the entire data table in the chart, then we have error bars, grid lines. So if you uncheck this, the grid lines will be removed. Then you have legend, trend line. So this is how you can edit the chart. Now another option that we have is stacked bar chart. Now see the difference. Select the data again, go to insert menu, see all charts, again go to all charts, select bar, and then select the second one, that is stacked bar. Now if you see the stacked bar, you can actually compare the total number of students also. So here you have only one bar in each category, and that one bar is bifurcated into two parts, male students and female students. So you insert this and then see the difference. This is chart 2. Is stacked bar chart. See, in chart number 1, we have 2 bars or separate bars for male and female students. In chart 2 or stacked bar chart, we have only one bar that is bifurcated into 2 parts, male and female students. If you have 3 categories, then the entire bar is bifurcated into 3 parts. If you have 4 categories, then bar will be bifurcated into 4 parts. Now, what is the usefulness of this stack chart? You can easily compare the total number of students. So you can see that in management stream, the total number of students are higher than other streams. Or in science, the total number of students are lower than other streams. So this is how we can insert simple bar chart and stacked bar chart in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.